Okay, so like this, we have calculated this. It was simple question. This is a formula V equals to V naught 1 plus R by 100 T. Okay, so V naught is given this much. 1 plus R rate of increment is 4%, so 4 by 100, and the time is given 2 years. Okay, we are just putting these values into the formula, and here just we are solving this. So let's see, this is same into here. We are taking the LCM, so it will be 100 plus 4, 104 by 100 whole square. So we are not dividing here, because if we divide here, so it will come into the form of 50. Then again we have to divide this by 5. So if they are already in the zeros form and here also are zeros, so no need to divide this. Okay, so directly we just take the LCM 100. So now this value will come. So there are 4 zeros. These will cancel out here, and only this is left for 104, 104. So we are multiplying these two values. So we are getting 10816 and 676. So we are multiplying this by this. So this is the final value. Okay, so this is the final answer. So like this, for second part, what we have to do, we have to just only subtract this, because the value is decreasing. Okay, so the before 2 years we have to find. So it means that we can decrease these values. So you can calculate this, and now see question number 4. See question number 4 here. This is a case of depreciation. The cost of a refrigerator is rupees 9,000. Nowadays, is it coming for rupees 9,000 or not? Refrigerator not coming up. This was the old book, so I think the old data is this. Its value depreciate at the rate of 5% every year. Find the total depreciation its value at the end of 2 years. So very simple. Okay, we have purchased suppose at 9,000, and after 2 years we are selling this. So how much cost we can suppose we will get? So that is the value of depreciation. So let's see question number 4. V naught is given here. Present value is 9,000 rupees, and the rate of depreciation is 5% per annum every year. So the time is given 2 years. So after 2 years we have to calculate its final value. So that is V. So here don't confuse in this V naught and V. V naught you just consider the present value. V is the value after the time periods. Either they are asking the growth, or they are asking the depreciation. So for the final value we are taking V. V is the final value. So V is equals to V naught 1, and here we are calculating the depreciation. So we are subtracting the rate. 1 minus R by 100, and this is N or T. So now V naught is 9,000, and 1 minus rate is 5% by 100, and the time is 2 years. So here we can solve this. So let's see, this is, we can solve this. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 20, and we are taking LCM, so it will be like 9,000 into 19 by 20 whole square. So it will be 9,000 into 19 into 19 divided by 20 into 20. Okay, so these 2 0 will cancel out like this, and this is 45, and this is 2. So the final value is coming like 45 into 19 into 19 and divided by 2. So first we just multiply all values, and just and last we can divide it by 2. So 19 square is 361. Okay, then we are multiplying this by 45. So it will be like 5, 4, 12, 2, 1 carry, 2, 4, 6, 1. 16245. 16245 divided by 2. Now it will be 28. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are this. So this is the final value. After 2 years, the value of this refrigerator is 8122.5. Okay, that is the depreciative value. So if we are utilizing any machine, so the value is decreasing. So after a particular time period of, okay, we can calculate the final amount. So that is called the depreciative value. Okay, these things you will learn in your if you are doing management courses like MBA. So you will learn that how to calculate the growth and depreciation of the machines and all. In engineering also there is a subject of management in final years. So in engineering they taught this subject to me also, management, in which we have calculated some depreciative value and other things are also there for that was related to the machines cost, how we calculate the machines cost. Okay, and this is the part of commercial mathematics. If you are going in the commerce side, so you will learn all that thing in detail. Okay, so I think we should stop here today. Do rest of the questions and any query you can ask.